everyone, welcome to Aditi Jain Little World and welcome to my podcast, The Art of Conversation, episode 6. And I have a very special person, Janita Shah, with me. Why she's special? Because she's the one who gave me my first paid collaboration in Canada, and that is very special to me, and I'm always grateful for that. Because उसके बाद मुझे लगा that I can do it, and it gives me a lot of motivation to enter into this field. It was an amazing experience.
It's an honor, and I'm glad we were able to be part of that amazing start of your amazing journey.
I swear, because I was totally new to Canada at that time, totally new to this field, and somehow you guys called me up, hey, and even I call her Jenny.
Yeah, it's okay. That's what people
Jenny
call me.
and Aditi are partners in this, and maybe Aditi called me, and I was like, Aditi calling Aditi for a collaboration.
Yes.
But I'm always grateful for that. First of all, I want to mention you that.
Thank you, and I'm telling you, you don't need to thank me. It was just our honor, and you did amazing.
Oh, thank you so much. And guys, I will not introduce her myself because she is doing a lot and I cannot explain that in my words. So, Jenny, I want you to tell my viewers actually what are you doing here?
Hi everyone. Hi everyone once again.
Okay.
My name is Janita Shah and I do a bunch of things. So my favorite job is being a full-time mom.
Okay, that's your favorite one.
That's my favorite one. I work full-time as a success advisor at Centennial College. I co-own a production company called Kanch Productions, and I co-own a clothing and styling company called Vararoha. I think that's about it.
Oh, that's about it. Can you imagine, guys, whosoever comes on this platform are doing a lot of things. And I also feel then proud of myself that I am also doing small things. And because I believe side hustles gives you a lot of happiness into your life. What do you think about that side hustle?
I think it all depends person to person, and every person's motivation of side hustle is something different. Some need it financially, some need it because they're so occupied in this monotonous work life that they have the other part of their personality that they want to be creative, they want to do something out of the box that makes them feel content apart from work. And there are people like me who would like to stay connected to art and culture and also create a base for the future generation kids born in Canada, like my kids, your sister's kids, is how to keep their kids attached to art and culture, but in a way that they appreciate it, not impose it to them. So So our main purpose of our events is create events for Canadian-born Indians.
That's
in
amazing.
A sense where we cater to a community in a sense that they enjoy it and they ask for it, and they come, they feel it, they learn, there's education attached to it, there is that feeling of being proud of what their heritage looks like. There's also this whole let's dress up and go. Like, I love when my daughter says, oh, I want to look Indian, I want to wear Indian clothes,
I want to look like Gujarati, I want to do a Garba.
So when I see that we're able to make that little bit of connection and that little bit of impact, I think that's what keeps me going with my side hustle. Like, it's tiring, it takes a toll on you at times, but it's your motivation, right? Like, what are you looking for out of it?
Exactly. So, see, that's about your event. That is the main motto. But I saw your collection also. That is also indirectly related to that. And also, you're wearing one of your collections. So, can you tell a little bit about that?
Yeah. So, we created Vararoha again to cater to the Canadian-born Indians who would want to style Indian clothes, but in a very Indo-Western version. Like, still have the element of heritage. But yet stylish. So what I'm wearing is a perfect example for it. So I created this with a designer in India. And we used हमारे जो patches होते हैं Gujarati culture में gamthi patches is a very rich heritage. This is hand woven kachi work. And into kimono jackets. It's a kimono shirt. And I also have a patch at the back.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah. I've just worn it on a tank top, but you can wear it on a bralette, you can wear it on a turtleneck t-shirt. You
like this is a multi-purpose,
but it also has the heritage, like it has that connection to Indian roots, yet stylish and
Yeah.
very easy to carry. So we always cater to the crowd where we want their heritage to be preserved, and we kind of find different ways and resources to connect to our people, especially here. Like when I get a heavy chanya choli and I force it on my daughter, and she's like, "नहीं मम्मी, यहाँ पे hurt होता है, यहाँ पे itchy होता है, यहाँ पे ये होता है, ये color नहीं चाहिए, ये वो नहीं चाहिए." So me and my partner Aditi, we always put our kids and we like, will you wear something like this? And you know, आप ये पहनोगे, आपको ये अच्छा लगता है, ये कैसा है, ये pictures दिखाएंगे.
Sorry to stop
बनेंगे.
you. Just want to let you know that her partner name is also Aditi. I'm not her partner.
Yeah, और उसके दो बच्चे नहीं है. ये Aditi के दो बच्चे.
ये Aditi के दो बच्चे. And she's talking about different Aditi.
Yes. So that's how Vadaroha came in, and we've been pretty happy with the response we have got. We just launched our Navratri collection, and we almost sold out of it. So glad what we are trying is working.
Yeah, that's amazing. And even Jenny, I believe whenever I see people doing something out of their box, like I feel really good. Whenever you and Aditi like upload some, guys, I swear I will mention their page link in the description. They do create a very amazing content on clothes.
We try. Thank you. It's coming from you, but we try. We're not as good. We're learning.
Like they do so much of editing, and they both promote that they don't hire any model.
Yeah.
They both behave or like do model. I swear, I feel so good. Like sometimes I imagine I was also doing the same thing like with my clothing brand back in India. That for the timing I hold on that, but I always proud myself like flaunting my own like collection, because that's the best way of doing it.
And what I truly think is, you know, people have access to so much this whole fake belief of, you know, beauty is everything.
Exactly.
And yeah, beauty is like everybody is beautiful in and out, and I think you need to appreciate everybody's beauty. So I remember I getting conscious like, you know, ये mom body है, कौन देखेगा, reel में मोटी लगूंगी, ये वो. And my partner Aditi, not this Aditi again, she is like, no,
it's okay, now they know who.
Try karke dekh, you know, it will work.
Yeah.
And I think it genuinely worked, and people do appreciate, क्योंकि you know एक time आता है जब you know आपको आपके जैसे लोगों को देखना है, आपको देखना है कि you know दो बच्चों की माँ की body perfect नहीं हो सकती.
They can't be all Santoor moms.
You know, exactly at close to 40, you cannot have a clear skin. Like there'll be there'll be freckles. There'll be like a lot of things that will show your age. There'll be scars through whatever reason. Gire ho, you know, you have recovered from a major illness, and I always say, flaunt your scars, flaunt your blemishes.
I'm flaunting mine.
Yeah, see, you should be proud of that.
Yeah,
flaunt the droopy skin that you're getting because you're aging. But I think there's a beauty within it. Like, you know, self-care is must. I love using beauty products. I wouldn't deny that. But it's like, you know, you should look your age. And
tell me one thing. What do you think beauty actually is about? I'm not talking about any particular gender. For everyone, what do you think? What beauty is about?
I think beauty is about being kind,
that's amazing.
Being compassionate, and the most important is being a human. Yeah, I think humanity is what this generation
needs to learn.
I think if you know and understand and appreciate your being in this world, equally appreciating the person who is standing across you and not judging them, I think that's beauty. And you know, just like we say, if somebody asks for your help, and if you're not there, and if you don't even have that affection to help, I think you can be the most beautiful person on this planet.
Exactly.
दिल ही नहीं है तो क्या करना है beauty का?
Exactly. You have to have soft heart.
Yeah.
Right.
It's compassion.
It's like you have to be. किसी को अपनी दो प्यार के बोल दो, like थोड़ा सा ये दिखा दो that I care about you.
Yeah.
That's, I also believe in.
Like you walk down the street and you know, it's like you see somebody hungry. My beauty, I would fall in love with a person जो जाके मैकडॉनल्ड्स या टिम हॉर्टन से कॉफी भी ला के देगा. उसने वो सोचा. हम हमारी लाइफ में इतना बिजी होते हैं अदिति के आजू बाजू क्या होता है, we don't care.
That's the worst part. That like see, अगर मैं अपनी बात करूँ, I am not put myself in that category because the culture I was grown into. I had this kind of a culture कि जहाँ पे कोई छोटा बड़ा नहीं होता. लोग कहते हैं ना कनाडा में आके ऐसा होता है, बट मेरे वहाँ पर my माँ जी, like my grandmother, my mom, every family, I had a joint family, पापा चाचू चाची, they always showed us कोई भी काम छोटा नहीं होता. कोई भी इंसान अलग नहीं होता. हमारे घर मेड आती थी जेनी एक. My grandmother used to wait for her to have a tea with her.
Yeah.
And that too in one utensil, not two.
Yeah, same.
Like they वो होता है ना लोटा होता है ना,
humanity.
उसमें इकट्ठे लेकर बैठ जाते थे और 2 कटोरियां, and that was the best time I saw my grandmother to enjoy with her.
I think the service जो बोलते हैं ना, at the end of the day it's your karma. Yeah. What goes around comes around.
Yeah, exactly.
और you know अब एक जनरेशन है कि आपको जो अपने बच्चों को सिखाना हो तो दे लर्न फ्रॉम द हाउस. जो बाहर सीखने वाले वो तो सीखने ही वाले हैं.
Exactly.
तो घर पे ये सिखाओ ना कि सब यू आर लिविंग इन कैनेडा फॉर ऑन टॉप ऑफ इट, राइट?
Exactly.
कि यू नो it's the most important religion is humanity. Respect the opposite person, doesn't matter age, gender, sex, religion, जो भी ये सब सुनने को आता है. Just उस बंदे के होने के लिए अप्रिशिएट करो.
Exactly. And as you told, like religion, लोगों ने ना religion का एक मतलब ही अलग कर दिया है. I belong from 2 religions, Jainism and Hinduism. And some people like, why you are not following Jainism that much? Why you are following Hinduism that much? Why you are going to Gurdwara? मैं जहाँ जिस कल्चर से बिलोंग करती हूँ ना, मेरे घर वालों ने ये सिखाया भगवान एक है.
सनातन धर्म.
जहाँ जाओ गुरुद्वारे जा रहे हो तो उनके अकॉर्डिंगली भगवान जी से प्रेयर कर लो. मस्जिद जा रहे हो तो उनके अकॉर्डिंग. आई बीन टू अजमेर दरगाह, बट मेरे को भगवान जी में कोई फर्क नहीं लगा.
It's I'm telling you, there is the superpower, and I always tell my kids, and I truly believe that whether it's Krishna Bhagwan, Ram Bhagwan, Buddha, you know,
Jainism,
Allah,
Sikhism,
I think there is this superpower who controls all of us. Just believe in that superpower. आपको जो भी नाम देना है दे दो, वो आपका खुद का बिलीफ है. But एक बंदा है जो हम सबको कंट्रोल करता है. And he's watching us. He's watching our karma, and you fear that person.
Exactly. See, you always have one special connection with one of them. Definitely, I agree on that. Like, I have a really special connection with Bholenath. But if you say I don't respect other religion, I can't say that.
To judge. You're nobody to judge.
I have no one. And Bhagwan ek hai. I truly believe in that. And I saw a lot of miracles happen in front of me through another religion. And I believe in the same, ki humanity is the biggest religion that we should follow and teach our next generation.
Correct.
And लोग उसको भूलते जा रहे हैं. हम लोग अपनी, मुझे लगता है wants को इतना इम्पोर्टेंस देने लग गए हैं कि हम किसी की नीड्स को नहीं समझ पा रहे.
ट्रू. एंड लेकिन वो प्रॉब्लम इसलिए है बिकॉज हमने अपनी लाइफ, हमारे आजू बाजू जो हमारे क्लोज है उनकी लाइफ बहुत प्रिविलेज कर दी है. जब मैं और आप बड़े हो रहे थे तब हमको सिखाया जाता था कि यू नो साल में एक ही दफा ये चीज मिलेगी.
एग्जैक्टली.
साल में यू नो एवरी दिवाली यू गेट न्यू क्लोथ्स. स्कूल में एवरी स्कूल ईयर यू गेट बाटा के ही जूते आते हैं. फट जाए तो यू नो यू गो मोची के पास जाके सिला दो. पर नहीं, हम क्या करें कि नहीं यार ये दे दो वो दे दो. तो कहीं ना कहीं हम भी रिस्पॉन्सिबल है क्योंकि हम वो नहीं सिखा रहे. So sometimes I also go on a guilt trip कि why am I making my kids so privileged? But कभी आप knowingly unknowingly वो चीज कर ही देते हो.
See, मुझे ऐसा लगता है क्योंकि हमें अपने लिए भी टाइम निकालने के लिए उनको शायद ये एज अ वो कहते हैं ना बार्टर करना पड़ता है, बिकॉज
हाँ
बिकॉज वी आर नॉट इन दैट काइंड ऑफ अ जनरेशन जहाँ पे हम अपने 24 घंटे बच्चों को दे पा रहे हैं।
और हम ऐसी जनरेशन में है जहाँ पे अदिति मीडिया का बहुत इन्फ्लुएंस है।
एग्जैक्टली
हम कुछ भी घर पे दिखा दे,
हाँ।
एंड ऑफ द डे वो
They know
सीखते वो
everything.
जो उनको आउटसाइड से मिलता है, टीवी, इंस्टाग्राम, लाइक हजार तरह के
YouTube,
सोशल
हाँ।
मीडियाज, टिकटॉक, पता
और हम
नहीं
उससे
क्या
नहीं
गंद
protect कर
फैली होती
सकते
है
उनको।
और यू कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग। जब हम बड़े हो रहे थे तो हमारे रोल मॉडल्स कौन थे? लाइक नेल्सन मंडेला, लाइक
Yeah.
मदर टेरेसा, ये इन लोगों के सिंगर्स या एक्टर्स, और ये क्या
Frozen princess, they don't even exist.
They
Just
don't-
imagine.
वो डिज्नी वर्ल्ड है,
हाँ।
राइट? लेकिन अब वो दुनिया तो हम नहीं स्टॉप कर सकते ना।
Exactly.
वो जो उनको फीड होने वाला है वो होने वाला है। तो मैं यही सोच के घर पे से तो कुछ तो ऑलवेज लाइक यू नो, इफ मेरे बच्चे ने खाना ऐसे छोड़ दिया और नहीं खाना, टेंट्रम्स दिखाए, तो ऑलवेज टेल देम कि दुनिया में बहुत बच्चे हैं जिसको खाने को नहीं मिलता। यू नो, बी थैंकफुल कि तुम्हारे पास इतने ऑप्शंस है।
Exactly.
वो सब के लिए हमको वर्क करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि हम एक दफा हम ही है जो सब कुछ देते हैं। एंड यू नो, आई ट्रूली बिलीव फ्रीडम कम्स विद रिस्ट्रिक्शंस। वो रिस्ट्रिक्शंस, वो बाउंड्रीज हमको खुद बनानी है।
Exactly.
जो वो चीजें हमको बच्चों को सिखानी है तो हमको वो बाउंड्रीज डिफाइन करनी पड़ेगी, हमको पसंद आए या ना आए।
आज ही मैंने ये चीज पढ़ी कि जैसे कि ना हम एक सेकंड में बोल देते हैं कि हमारा मन नहीं कर रहा, है ना, और मुझे ये नहीं करना। यू हैव टू चेंज दैट परसेप्शन। यू हैव टू टीच योरसेल्फ एंड यू कैन से यू टू योर नेक्स्ट जनरेशन। मैंने तो आज अपने लिए ही पढ़ा था कि समटाइम्स मैं भी ऐसे बोल देती हूँ आज नहीं मन कर रहा, बट आई हैव टू टीच माई सेल्फ एवरी डे, नहीं अगर ये करना है तो करना है, मन से हटो एंड यू हैव टू डू दैट। ये नहीं है कि यू कीप फ्यू थिंग्स एज एन ऑप्शन। या तो आप उसको करो ही मत, आप उसको ऑप्शन ही मत रखो। इफ यू कीप एनीथिंग इन योर लाइफ, समथिंग, एनीथिंग, लाइक अगर तुम्हें खाना बनाना है, लाइक तुम्हें कोई पढ़ाई करनी है, तुम्हें कुछ भी करना है, या तो उसको ऑप्शन ही मत रखो, सब्स्टिट्यूट ढूंढ लो। अगर तुमने उसको अपनी लाइफ में ऑप्शन रखा है तो यू कैन नॉट से कि मेरा मन नहीं कर रहा है।
सबसे बड़ी बात पता है, ये हमारे बाद की जनरेशन में, सो अभी की जो जनरेशन है, कि मेरे बच्चों की जो जनरेशन आई है वो फॉलोअर्स है। हमारा मोटिव ये होना चाहिए कि ये फॉलोअर्स को हम लीडर्स में कैसे कन्वर्ट करें।
Exactly. We are leaders. Actually, you're so right about
So,
that.
क्योंकि
I never thought like that. This is so
it's a
good.
generation, you know, monkey see monkey do, ये सारे वही के वही है,
भेड़ चाल।
भेड़ चाल, लाइक दे ऑल आर फॉलोअर्स। गिन चुन के 10 या 12 बच्चे हो गए 200-300 में जो एक्चुअली लीडरशिप में इन्वॉल्व हो गए कि दे वुड वांट अ लीड।
Exactly.
सो आई थिंक एक वो भी है। फिर यू नो, कोविड, ये सब पिछले 10 साल में इतना उठाव चढ़ाव आया, तो एक एंटाइटलमेंट हो गया है लोगों में कि ये तो ऐसा ही होना चाहिए, ये तो मिलना ही चाहिए। नो, आई थिंक वी नीड टू प्रीच देम हार्ड वर्क, वी नीड टू प्रीच देम कि अपना दिमाग लगाओ, लाइक यूज योर थिंकिंग ब्रेन।
Exactly.
You have to
think about out of box, like the way
हाँ.
your parents, your
don't think
Sensing.
everything's gonna be served to you, you know. I think the most important lesson हमको अब सबको जो इम्प्लीमेंट करना है घर के बाहर, जैसे कि मैं कॉलेज में काम करती हूँ तो मेरे को हमेशा बच्चों को सिखाना पड़ता है टू मेक देम अंडरस्टैंड कि गलती टीचर की नहीं है, ये गलती आपकी है, थोड़ी कुछ तो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लो।
Exactly.
राइट? आप फेल हुए तो वो आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि आप पढ़े नहीं।
हाँ,
आप
ये नहीं है कि
फेल
सिर्फ
हुए
teacher
तो
ने नहीं
टीचर
पढ़ा।
की, हाँ, फॉर एग्जाम्पल सब आके बोलते कनाडा में ये नहीं है, कनाडा में वो नहीं, there's just so much negativity going on. I'm not saying कि हमारी कंट्री परफेक्ट है,
Exactly.
बट आप एफर्ट तो डालो। ऐसे कितनी स्टोरीज है जैसे कि आपकी है
Thank
कि
you. I'm blushing.
आप 1.5 साल हो गया, आपने खुद बताया जब हम यहाँ पे पॉडकास्ट के पहले बात कर रहे थे कि यू हैव नथिंग नेगेटिव टू से।
Exactly.
जो एफर्ट हम क्या बोलते, यू नो, क्रिबिंग में डालते हैं, जो एफर्ट हम इरिटेट हो जाते हैं, पेशेंस
Exactly.
नहीं है, ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है, कभी आपने सोचा है कि मैंने एक्चुअली कितनी मेहनत की इस चीज के बारे में? आप देखो कि अब की जनरेशन है तो चॉइसेस है, मेरे को इधर नहीं काम करना, मेरे को उधर नहीं काम करना, ये बहुत हार्ड है, ये वो है, ये फलाना है, ये ढिकना है। एंड आई एम लाइक, जब मैं आई थी 2004, जो कि 20 साल हो गया, पूरा एक अलग ही दुनिया थी। तब यू नो जॉब भी करते थे, स्कूल भी जाते थे, एंजॉय भी करते थे, तो भी खुश थे। और हमारी सैलरी लाइक मिनिमम वेज $7.5 हुआ करता था।
जस्ट इमेजिन।
और 20 साल पहले इतना सारा भी ऑप्शंस नहीं थे कि अभी तो हर कोने पे एक इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट है, हर कोने पे यू फील एट होम। वहाँ पे तो इंडियन ग्रोसरी भी गिन चुन के 3-4 जगह पे हुआ करती थी।
मतलब you were not having even the luxury, that kind of luxury that you have right now.
Yeah.
Still people are not happy with that.
My father, he's 67 and you won't believe अदिति कि वो अभी भी काम कर रहे हैं कनाडा में।
Just imagine.
उन्होंने 2 घर कर दिया। अभी उनके दिमाग में ये है कि मेरे को रिटायर एक अलग जगह पे करना है, तो ही इज वर्किंग टुवर्ड्स इट। आई थिंक एंड में क्या है कि आपको आपकी लाइफ में गोल है, बट आप वो गोल के लिए काम ही नहीं करना चाहते हो, तो उसका
That is the point.
What's the point?
मैं इस बात पे बताना चाहूंगी, गोल मैं ना छोटी छोटी चीजें लेकर चलती हूँ। जिनीता, आई हैड अ वेरी बैड डे टुडे। मैं डॉक्टर के पास गई, मेरे 2 दिन से बहुत ज़्यादा स्वेलिंग एंड एवरीथिंग, वेरी बैड डे, लाइक एट इन हॉस्पिटल। और डॉक्टर वाज आल्सो लिटिल रूड टुडे कि आप एक्सरसाइज ज़्यादा नहीं कर रहे हो। मैंने कहा आई एम डूइंग माई बेस्ट, लेकिन एक पॉइंट के बाद आई कांट गिव माई पेन टू माई सेल्फ, राइट। तो कहते हैं आपके ने 2 अपॉइंटमेंट मिस कर दिया, मेरे को कुछ ज़रूरी काम था, तो दे विल नॉट ट्रीट यू वेल इफ यू विल मिस मोर बिकॉज ड्यू टू सम वर्क आई डिड दैट। एंड आई स्वेयर I was about to cancel this podcast today again. I cried out loud. I cried for full 15 minutes in the evening. And that was it. I was like, Aditi, it's okay. You will do it. So, मेरे को आज मेरा गोल था कि मुझे ये पॉडकास्ट करना है। छोटा सा था, but I made it.
It's the milestones, like you put your milestones.
मेरे को था कि किसी भी तरीके से हो जाए, but I will not cancel on me today.
जैसे कि वही बोल रही हूँ ना कि आपने वो एफर्ट डाली, you worked around your emotional well-being, you worked around your physical well-being, you worked around your day schedule to make this happen. आपने वो एफर्ट डाली, आपने गिव अप नहीं किया, वो सबसे बड़ी बात है ना।
Yeah, this is what I'm trying to tell everyone.
Don't give up.
Don't give up. See, it's normal if you are feeling low. It's normal if you are having a bad day. बहुत अच्छी बात बताती हूँ। अभी लास्ट मंडे मोटिवेशन किया, तो माई डैड ऑलवेज मोटिवेट्स मी अ लॉट। उन्होंने एक बहुत अच्छी बात कही। मैंने कहा पापा एवरीवन हैज़ अ बैड डे, तो ठीक है ना, वो भी नहीं रहता है। कहते लोगों में कॉन्सेप्ट ही गलत है बैड डेज को लेकर। मैंने कहा क्यों? वो कहते बैड डेज आर योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स। क्यों? वो आपके साथ ज़्यादा रहते हैं, खुशी के पल कम रहते हैं। तो आप जितना अपने बेस्ट फ्रेंड से सीखोगे, उतना कभी भी खुशी वाले दिन से नहीं सीखोगे।
That's a very good thing.
So I was like, actually he's making sense.
He is making amazing sense because think about it. Bad days जब होते हैं, जब आपके experiences बुरे होते हैं, या things don't work out the way you expected, or something just happens in the life which was like not something you were hoping for.
Exactly.
तो सीखने को क्या मिलता है कि वो situation से निकलना is a learning, वो situation को accept करना is a learning. और वो situation repeat ना हो, उसके लिए खुद को prepare करना भी एक learning है।
और सोचो, हम कोई भी है, you have your own struggles, I have my own struggles. तो मैंने उस दिन एनालाइज किया, actually I am having a more of bad days than a good days.
Everybody, like,
हफ्ते में एक दिन आता होगा जिस दिन होता होगा, oh today was an amazing day.
I think everybody in a point of life, and have times where they just don't feel like doing anything. Be like, क्या life हो गई है, कुछ रहा। But again वो एक phase है। अब वो फेस में से निकल कर वो फेस को आप किस तरह पॉजिटिविटी में कन्वर्ट करते हो ना, वो इम्पोर्टेंट है।
Exactly.
जैसे कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल अभी स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ लिविंग बढ़ गया है, there's just sort of things, काफियों के mortgage नहीं pass होते, you know, ये वो, there's just so much negativity. लेकिन you know, अभी भी वो लोग हैं जो ये सिचुएशन को फाइट करके हैप्पी है. नहीं, आज इस साल गर्मी हुआ, अगली साल होगा.
ऐसा तो नहीं, किसी का नहीं हो रहा, किसी का तो हो रहा होगा
किसी ना किसी का तो हो रहा है ना. और दे विल बी लाइक, ओके ये चीज नहीं वर्क कर रही, तो लेट्स फाइंड आउट अ वे टू मेक इट हैपन.
एग्जैक्टली.
तो वो ही इम्पोर्टेंट है ना, कि जैसे कि आपका दिन आज बिजी था, आपको गिव अप नहीं करना था, आपने समहाउ मैनेज किया, चलो हमने लेट किया, मैं लेट आई, आप लेट आई, कुछ भी हुआ, हो गया ना. हाँ, वी मैनेज्ड इट. सो इट्स द एंड ऑफ द थिंग इज यू मेट द गोल in a sense, like, क्योंकि डिले हुआ, हर्डल्स आई, लेकिन ये माइलस्टोन, ये पॉडकास्ट आपने करा, आपने गिव अप नहीं किया. आप चाहते तो मेरे को 6 बजे फोन करके बोल सकते थे कि आपको भी लेट हुआ है, मेरा दिन ऐसे ही बेकार गया है, let's not do it. But no, you are like no, कि again वो पॉजिटिविटी आपने रखी, तो ये पॉडकास्ट में वो पॉजिटिविटी आई, तो ये हम कर पाए. तो आई थिंक मैसेज ये होता है अदिति, कि जो हम दोनों कहना चाहते कि यू नो, लाइफ में अप्स एंड डाउन्स तो आते रहेंगे. देयर बी फेजेस ऑफ लाइफ वे यू फील टेरिबल अबाउट व्हाट यू आर, who you are, and you
what
know what you're doing is like life का क्या मतलब है. Exactly. And there days you'll be so proud of yourself, like absolutely you'll be on the seventh sky, and you know you'll feel like आपको लाइफ में जो भी करना था सब कर दिया. और there'll be days where आप कुछ भी करके मर जाए, लुई विटॉन की बैग ले तो भी ये क्या है, you know, you don't feel content about it. Like those are emotions of your life, and
you have to accept it.
I think that is important also, because like every emotion brings a different person of you.
Oh, exactly.
Right? And every emotion makes you react and behave in a way you sometimes may surprise, oh, I have that capacity. जैसे कि आपको ये कैपेसिटी अब पता चली कि कनाडा में इतना बड़ा एक्सीडेंट होने के बाद you were independent.
Yeah.
You ventured out from your sister on the 10th day of your accident, and you made it.
Somehow, I don't know
how.
You
made it because you took that risk. You understood कि no, ये time पे ये सही है. You know, you understood your sister's priority. She has 2 young kids. You're like, ऊपर से ट्रैवल टाइम, उससे बेहतर है कि मैं मेरे कंफर्ट जोन में आ जाऊँ, जहाँ पे चीजें एक्सेसिबल है और मेरे को सिर्फ खुद को मैनेज करना है.
Exactly. Actually, my sister was so mad on me at that time. That Aditi, no, you're not going anywhere, because she's a big sister. She has a lot of like love and care and concern.
Yeah.
And I was like, no, I have to go. And she was like, no, you're not going. And it's not about responsibility. Also, I had that time very phobia of getting into cars, and it was a 2-hour drive to the hospital. So everything now somehow like give me that kind of motivation. Okay, strength. I don't know from where, and I just came.
See, that's what I'm saying. It's the risk. So every emotion you encounter in your life results into something which you don't expect, and it can be beautiful, it can be amazing, it can be like so fulfilling. So कि आपको लगता है कि आपको कभी पता ही नहीं था आप ये कर सकते हो.
I swear, Jenny, I totally agree with that. जब तक मेरे को आज तक ना एक छोटा सा खरोच भी लगता था ना, I used to apply Band-Aid for 10 days, next 10 days. And I had a major surgery. I cried out loud. I was doing dishes. I was somehow managing food through the help of friends and everything. But I realized that I can do it. And that's the best feeling, because अब मुझे ऐसा लगता है अब इससे ज़्यादा क्या होगा.
Exactly.
अब इससे ज़्यादा बुरा क्या होगा.
So the lesson is don't give up.
Exactly.
We can talk about it.
Yeah.
But I
because
truly
this is
believe
something we actually went through.
Yeah.
Right?
I truly believe there's a lot of good things in your life. I truly believe if you make your life an adventure, you know, enjoy the hurdles, jump the bumps, dive into the ocean, there's always a light at the end, and that light is beautiful. that light is a blessing, and explore it.
And keep your eyes open for that light.
Yeah.
Because once you miss that light, you will never able to get that again. You have to keep open your eyes for that.
Explore it. Explore it with
Yeah.
open mind and thought.
Jenny, I have a very beautiful question for you because I really want to know that. As you told me that you are a success advisor in college, I want you to tell my viewers and me that one advice that you give to every student.
The one advice I give to all the students is to learn the art of not giving up.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Yes, because I always tell them, the day you master this art, you will realize what you're capable of, what you can attain in your life, what you can achieve in your life, and what you can fight in your life. Because when you don't give up and you keep on trying, you know, God has always surprises for you, and you always see it, because hard work never fails.
Exactly. Hard work also, and also your persistency, your consistency, and your belief in yourself, I believe.
It's believing in whatever you do in your life and not giving up if you don't see it's being successful, because not everything is gonna be the way you want, not everything is gonna end the way you want or the way you want, not everything is gonna look like what you envisioned it. But if you don't give up and you try again to make it a better version, or to work it out in a better way, it will definitely come the way you vision it, because it's at the end of the day, it's hard work.
Exactly.
Right?
I totally believe in that.
हम ऐसे तो है नहीं कि सब कुछ हमें परोस के दिया जाएगा.
Exactly.
चलो परोस के दे भी दिया,
खाना तो
अपना है ना, खाना तो आपको है ना.
तो आपको है.
आप फिर ऐसे पड़ा होगा, बोलेगे ये तो मेरे को अच्छा भी नहीं लगा, ये तो आपने खाया कब? जब आप खाओगे तब आपको पता चलेगा ये A से B better है, B से C better. I think it's like this. It was just an example, but things will come your way. Things will come your way at the time you have least expected.
True.
But don't let that opportunity go.
True.
Somehow work it out, because every opportunity brings you things that you deserve, things that you worked for, and it also gives you an opportunity to be a better version of yourself.
That's amazing, Jenny. I will keep in mind. Like, I try my level best not giving up on anything.
Yeah.
But definitely when, see, you are in this country like from past 20 years, meeting with you, interacting with you, I always believe I am a good learner.
Yeah.
So, and by meeting people like you, I learn a lot. Like, I learn each day one new thing. I am into this kind of a job where I interact with people. Somehow, like, sometimes when that like here all the old age people managing their accounts and everything, I got a call from a 92-year-old person, and I'm a very talkative person. I didn't know that. I literally asked before putting up his phone. I asked, "See, you are 92 years old. What one advice you want to give to this generation to keep moving forward?" He was like, patience.
Yeah, patience is the key.
So I always believe in this thing कि सबसे थोड़ा सीखते रहो ना, it will give you a better vision in your life, and it will keep you moving ahead little smoothly in your life.
Yeah, so get the best of everyone, और लोगों में भी अच्छाई देखना सीखो.
True. That's really important.
I think that's the most important
these
सबकी
days.
अच्छी चीजें तो हम देख के सीख जाते हैं, लेकिन जो दिखाता नहीं है उसमें भी अच्छा ही ढूंढो.
Exactly.
Because दिखाने वाला तो दिखाएगा.
Exactly.
But there are also silent people who are very introvert, जो चीजें खुद के पास रखते हैं, तो उसमें भी एक अच्छा ही है ना.
Yeah. See, obviously
ठहराव है. So learn from the good qualities you see. Appreciate the goodness around you, and appreciate the good within everybody.
I swear, Jenny, I swear, the moment I started this Monday motivation, that was my first motivation.
That's
And I said, it's just about appreciation.
yeah, it's about
The
appreciating.
moment you start appreciating yourself, and more important, the moment you start appreciating people around you, you will be in a better world.
Yes, you will. And that comes down to humanity, right?
See,
किसी का अच्छा नहीं कर सकते मत करो, किसी का बुरा तो
बुरा
बिल्कुल मत
और
करो,
चाहो भी मत.
नहीं सोच भी नहीं.
हाँ,
right?
exactly.
It's even the thought of it is not good. So keep your mind surrounded with positivity, and I think that's the best
you can
advice
do.
I can give. Yeah.
That's so. Thank you so much for the bestest advice. So, I also have one question for you. You've been in Canada from past 20 years, right?
Mhm.
So, and still, whatever people say about Canada, whatever the social media say about Canada, a lot of new generation, a lot of new
Yeah.
immigrants are coming from different countries to Canada. So what are you gonna say to that generation? What they need? Just in few words, focus on few words, like what they actually have to keep in mind while coming to this country.
Canada is home for me. Canada is always open for different communities, cultures, emotions. The only thing it asks for return is understand Canada as Canada, not where you come from, what you thought it is, what you expected it to be. You know, it's like very simple. जब आप दोस्त बनाते हो तो आप दोस्त क्यों बनाते हो? कोई एक चीज होती है जो आपकी उसके बारे में अच्छी लगती है, आप उसको जानना चाहते हो, एक क्यूरियोसिटी बनाते हो. आप दोस्त ऐसे नहीं बनाते ना, इसकी शक्ल अच्छी है तो ये मेरा दोस्त हो गया.
Exactly.
Right? There are friends with benefit, but when you are coming across the world to a different country, don't just come with a thought of benefit out of it.
Exactly.
Come with a thought of let me see what Canada has to offer me. मैं जो ये सोची बांध के आ जाऊंगा कि यही मिलने वाला है, ऐसी लाइफ होनी है, और चलो सर्कमस्टांसेस ऐसे हुए कि आपको नहीं मिली, तो अब उसके खिलाफ हेट्रेड तो ना डेवलप करो. वो आपकी गलती थी कि आपने ये सोच बनाई थी. आपने ये नहीं सोचा, आपने कनाडा को एक अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं दी आपको कुछ देने के लिए, राइट? सो आई थिंक इट्स व्हेन यू, ये बात मेरे पापा ने सिखाई थी. मैं आई तो मैं 17 साल की थी.
Really?
हाँ, तो पापा ने बोला कि यू नो हम एक डिफरेंट वर्ल्ड में जा रहे हैं. बी द एक्सप्लोरर एंड डोंट हैव एक्सपेक्टेशंस.
That's so beautiful.
And learn in every journey of that exploring. और मैंने एक्सप्लोर किया.
And you are here with such a beautiful journey.
Exactly.
With a lot of success and achievements in your life.
है ना, लाइफ को एडवेंचर बनाना. लाइफ को एक शॉपिंग कैसल क्यों बना देते हो? ये चाहिए, ये मिलना चाहिए, ये मिलना चाहिए, ये जगह जाओ तो ये होना चाहिए. ये एक शॉपिंग बाजार नहीं है.
Exactly.
राइट? आप एक्सपेक्टेशंस लेके आते हो, आप एक सोच लेकर आते हो तो दुखी होते हो ना. कम विद ओपन माइंड. कम, इफ दिस कंट्री इज वेलकमिंग यू विद ओपन आर्म्स, all it is asking you to have an open mind.
Exactly.
And explore. The journey is beautiful, and the
I can
people
say
are
that.
even more beautiful. So explore.
True.
हमारी सोच को पीछे डालो एंड सामने वाले के प्रोस्पेक्ट को अंडरस्टैंड करने की कोशिश करो. जिस दिन ये आप कर पाओगे, ये कंट्री बहुत ब्यूटीफुल. ये छोड़ो, कोई भी कंट्री ब्यूटीफुल है.
Exactly.
कोई भी जगह दुनिया की ब्यूटीफुल है.
It's about your choices, right?
हाँ, हम मार्स में जाके ऐसा तो नहीं सोच सके पाव भाजी वाला मिलेगा वहाँ पे. That's a ridiculous thing to think, right? It's a dumb joke, but it's a true, right?
Exactly.
जो आपको ऐसी ही चीजें चाहिए थी तो आप अपना कंट्री छोड़ के क्यों आ रहे हो?
Right.
Right. तब नहीं, हम मार्स में जाएंगे तो जाओ, मार्स को मार्स की तरह एक्सप्लोर करो. कनाडा आए तो कनाडा को कनाडा की तरह से एक्सप्लोर करो, इंडिया की तरह से मत करो.
Right. Guys, you should keep in mind, this is an amazing advice that I got till now. Although I applied that in my life, that's why I'm trying to do little thing. But Jenny, one last question, that's my favorite question, and I ask to everyone. what is your biggest achievement in your life that you are really proud of?
I wouldn't say I've achieved something extravagant. I'm still on the path of achieving,
Okay.
but I feel really proud that I've given back to the community.
Oh,
So
that's amazing.
मैंने मेरे नाना जी के नाम पे स्कूल स्टार्ट की. I'm a very small part of it.
Okay.
Inception में काम किया.
Okay.
And then my aunt took over it. But today that school has about 35 students and we
that's
provide free
amazing.
education.
Oh, that's a very
So,
amazing thing.
Startup में 3-4 साल मैंने काम किया उसके साथ to just get running and अब it's up and running. I donate part of my salary to scholarship at my college for students struggling with financial needs.
Here in Canada?
Here in
That's
Canada,
a lot.
in my own college in Centennial, I have a scholarship.
Oh.
That's about it. And every event that we do, we give back to the community. हमने sick kids को last year a portion of our sales donate किए. उसके पहले York Hills में किया, Scarborough Health Network में किया. So I think I'm really proud of those things and I have a long way to go.
And guys, just while listening her achievement, I realized one thing. अगर हम बात करें this generation की और मैं उनसे पूछूं what is your biggest achievements, they're gonna say I have a big house in Canada, I have a Tesla in Canada that you already have. But can you imagine like telling about those small things as your achievements is another big thing.
Oh.
And shows what kind of a person you are. And I'm so proud right now, feeling blessed, grateful to have you in my life and at least having so much of good learnings from you.
Oh, thank
and
you.
Also from my viewer side, I would like to thank you that you come here, you give your precious time, because I tell to everyone that time is the money anywhere and time is the most expensive thing in this whole world, and you gave me that. I cannot pay back in any form, so I'm really thankful again.
It was my privilege.
Coming here, supporting me, that really means a lot.
Thank you for inviting.
That's my pleasure. But my viewers learned a lot from you today, including me. And I hope guys आप लोगों को भी ये podcast अच्छा लगा होगा. आप लोगों ने भी बहुत सारे experiences फिर से जेनी के आज को सीखा होगा. And please don't forget to like, share and comment on the podcast. And thank you so much.
No problem.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Have a great time. Bye.